Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best affordable handheld GPS in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Garmin eTrex 10 Worldwide Handheld GPS. Easy to use and easy on the wallet. Runs on easy-to-source AA batteries. Lower costs. Boasting a 2.2-inch monochrome display and a worldwide base map, the Garmin eTrex 10 offers an affordable, robust solution for GPS navigation support. The interface is intuitive, and the durable product will withstand shocks, dust, dirt, water, and humidity. It also supports geocaching PGX files, which are accessible via OpenCaching's website. Pinpoint accuracy comes from a highly sensitive WAS-enabled GPS receiver and can track both GPS and GLONASS satellites at the same time. Number 2. Our second best pick is Garmin InReach Mini. Weighing at a feathery 3.5 ounces, the Garmin InReach Mini provides a lightweight way to stay in contact with your loved ones and to reach emergency services while out in the wild. It supports two-way messaging and social media posts, location sharing, and an interactive SOS trigger that plugs into a 24/7 staffed professional emergency response coordination center, pending a satellite subscription. The device runs on a 100% global Iridium satellite network to ensure your communications go through. You can also access InReach weather forecasts and request weather info on your current location, other waypoints, or future destinations that might lie in your path. You also get free access to the cloud-powered Garmin Explorer website, which you can use to plan your trip, set up preset messages and texts, and sync and manage your device settings. Number 3. Our third best pick is Garmin eTrex 22X. Outfitted with a 240 by 320 pixel, 2.2-inch color display that's readable in bright sunlight, the eTrex 22X from Garmin makes it easy for first-time GPS users to get their bearings. It comes preloaded with topo-active maps with routable roads and trails for cycling and hiking, and has 8 GB of storage and a microSD card slot to let you load more maps. Rather than relying solely on GPS satellites, it also plugs into GLONASS systems to track your location in more challenging environments, and a 3-axis compass and barometric altimeter help orient the user quickly. And fun is also part of the equation with the eTrex 22X. It supports paperless geocaching. Just upload GPX files to the device, and you can view geocache info like location, terrain, and hints from sites like Geocaching.com. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Garmin GPSMAP 66i. Simply put, the Garmin GPSMAP 66i does everything. It comes preloaded with topo-active maps for the US and Canada, including details on terrain contours, elevations, summits, parks, coastlines, rivers, lakes, and geographical points, along with a preloaded Wikiloc Trails app that lets you download hiking, cycling, and other trail data. It accesses multiple global NAV satellite systems to track in ways that GPS devices that only plug into one network can't support, and uses ABC sensors to help navigate, with details that include an altimeter, barometer, and a 3-axis electronic compass. This all works with downloadable high-res maps that provide bird's-eye satellite imagery. You also get two-way messaging with an InReach subscription, interactive SOS alerts to a 24/7 staffed professional emergency response coordination center, and the ability to share your location. Pair it with a compatible smartphone, and you can also get real-time weather forecast info, or work with the Garmin Explorer app to plan, review, and sync waypoints and routes. It's built to military standard toughness and can handle shocks, extreme temps, and water, with a battery life that can run for up to 200 hours when in expedition mode, versus the default mode, which provides 35 hours of runtime. It even comes with an LED flashlight. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is the Garmin Montana 700 series. If you travel minimally or need to use both hands, you'll appreciate the Fortrex 401 wrist GPS, which weighs a mere 2.2 ounces. The 401 allows you to manage routes, tracks, and waypoints with a simple, easy-to-read LCD display that retraces your path. It stores up to 500 waypoints and features a high-sensitivity GPS receiver, allowing for optimal performance and reception in deep canyons and heavy tree areas. It's also weather-resistant, which makes it perfect for hikers, skiers, and campers who travel in rain or snow. The GPS also features a barometric altimeter, electronic compass, and wireless data communication. Because of the device's size and lower price, there are logistics to consider. The small black and white screen won't allow advanced on-screen navigation or preloaded maps. Another drawback is its relatively weaker battery life of 17 hours. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.